Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I would like to present the paper with title Comparison of Firefly Algorithm Optimization and Trial Error Method in Determining LQGT Control Weighting Matrix for Quadcopter Trajectory Tracking. Our team consists of me, Sofia Prabaning Tias, and Professor Mardia. We are from Department of Mathematics, Institut Teknologi 10 November, Surabaya. This is the outline that I will present today. We start with introduction. A quadcopter is one type of UAV with 4 propellers driven by electric motors, can take off and land vertically. To carry out a certain mission, it is necessary to apply control to the quadcopter so that it can follow the specified trajectory. In this paper, LQGT control is designed for quadcopter trajectory tracking. In LQGT, the dynamics and performance of feedback control depend on weighting matrix Q and R. In general, the selection is made by the trial and error method. However, this method is not effective. Based on this problem, this paper proposes a new method to determine LQGT weighting matrix using Firefly algorithm optimization. Furthermore, the result will be compared with trial and error method. The mathematical model of quadcopter is given by equation 1. Furthermore, the linear model of equation is given by equation 2, where matrices ABC are defined as follows. And then linear quadratic Gaussian tracking is combination of linear quadratic tracking with Kalman filter. The design process of linear quadratic Gaussian tracking control is as follows. The first is problem formulation and then problem solving. Step 1, designing Kalman filter. In here, we determine the value of Kn and Rn to get estimation of state variable. In step 2, we designing LQT control. In here, we determine the weighting matrix Q and R to get optimal control. Firefly algorithm is a meta-heuristic algorithm for solving optimization problems, first developed by Shin-Se Yang, which is based on the social behavior of fireflies. There are 3 basic calculations in this algorithm. The first is attractiveness, distance, and the last is movement. We move in control design problem formulation. First, we designing Kalman filter. In here, we put the value of Kn and Rn as follow, and then we designing linear quadratic tracking, where determination of weighting matrix Q and R is carried out through optimization using Firefly algorithm with following step. First, we define vector to be optimized that consists diagonal element of weighting matrix Q and R. Then the upper and lower bound of each element in X bar are determined. In this study, we choose eta A as objective function. Then we initialization of FA parameters, generate initial population of firefly. In this study, firefly are represented by X bar. And then calculate like intensity from eta A. The optimization that carried out is minimum value problem. In this study, eta A value will be minimized. The minimum eta A represent lighter firefly. On the other hand, higher eta A represent less bright firefly. Furthermore, each element in X bar with larger eta A will be moved closer to the element X bar with less eta A. The optimization process using Firefly algorithm is shown in table 1. Now, result and discussion. First, the system time response will be analyzed and it compared with LQGT trial and error. This figure shows the system response time for X position and Y position. In here, we calculate rise time, settling time, overshoot, and root mean square error. In here, we can see that LQGT-FA produce system time response better than LQGT trial and error, especially for settling time, overshoot, and RMSA. And this figure shows the system response time for roll and pitch angle. And the last is system response time of yaw angle. For trajectory tracking, simulation carried out within 40 seconds, the system will track circle path. In here, the system successfully tracked the X and Y position with time lag 0.58 for X position and 0.59 for Y position. And then this figure shows the trajectory tracking in 2-dimension and 3-dimension. Conclusion, this paper proposed new method to determine LQGT control weighting matrix using Firefly algorithm optimization for quadcopter trajectory tracking. Then, the result will be compared with LQGT trial and error method. The simulation results show that the use of Firefly algorithm in determining weighting matrix Q and R are proven effective to produce optimal control result. LQGT-FA successfully minimize overshoot in the system and produce settling time faster than LQGT with trial and error method. LQGT-FA control can make the system follow circle trajectory with time lag of 0.58 second for X position and 0.59 second for Y position. Meanwhile, the RMSA value for X position and Y position are 9.1 times 10 power minus 3 and 5.9 times 10 power minus 4 respectively. This is the end of presentation. Thank you so much for your attention.